In this video, we're going to look at menus still, except now we're going to look at the footer and footer menus and how to create a footer menu. So most themes in WordPress will allow you to create a footer menu that is different from your main menu, which is at the top. So we looked at the main menu at the top. Now we're going to look at creating a footer menu at the bottom of your web page. All right, so let's go to our dashboard. And again, we have to go to Appearance, but this time we're going to start with Widgets. We're going to go to Widgets under Appearance. So we're going to click on Widgets, and this takes us to all the widgets that we have for that particular theme. In this case, we're looking at the footers. So this theme seems to have 4 footers, and if you click on, say, footer 1, the little arrow, it allows you to add widgets to the footer. So let's look at the left-hand side, available widgets, and see what widgets are available to include in that footer. So we're looking for something that's a menu. That's the kind of widget we're looking for. In this case, it's a navigation menu. So let's click on navigation menu. And where do we want to put that navigation menu? We want to put it in footer 1. So we're going to click on that. So there's a check mark beside footer 1 under navigation menu. All right, so now we're going to scroll up. Sorry, perhaps I need to, add widget. So now that we've added the widget, if you scroll back up and look under footer 1, there you go, we have a navigation menu. But now we have to actually select which menu. So let's see what menus we have available. Well, it looks like we have a number of menus available. Okay, so let's click this menu footer 1. Let's see what that gives us. Okay, we can put a title on our menu. Let's call it footer 1 menu. And again, we'll have to save that again. Then we're going to go back to our website. We're going to refresh it, and hopefully at the bottom the page, there you go, we have a menu right at the bottom. It's called footer 1, that's a title, and these are the items in that menu: contact me, glossary of terms, and hungry. So really hungry. Okay, all right, so how did we create that footer menu? So now we need to go back to menus. All right, so we're waiting. All right, okay, so again, we're in our menus. On our menu page, we can edit menus. So we need to select the menu, and it looks like we have a footer menu. But what if we don't have any footer menu? Then we have to create a new menu. So why don't we actually do that? Let's create a new menu. Take a moment. Let's give it a name. Test footer menu. Let's add all right, and we're going to include a display location footer, currently set to footer 1. I'm going to go create menu. Okay. All right, so now that we've done that, we can add items to it. So why don't we add, gallery looks nice, glossary of terms, contact, and hungry. Seem to be hungry in each menu. And I'm going to add those to the menu. There you go. And then we have to save. Now we already had one menu in the footer, but let's see what that gives us. All right, so now we go back to our main page, and let's see what we have in the footer. Okay, all right. Okay, so we have this new menu called Test Footer Menu. All right, great. So let's go back to our widgets. So on the left-hand side on our dashboard, go back to widgets. Let's go to footer 1, navigation. So select menu. We're going to select Test Footer Menu, save. Once it's saved, we're going to go back to our website. Click the refresh button, and we're going to scroll down and see what we have. And there you go, we have our test footer menu, which includes hungry, gallery, glossary of terms, contact me. So that's how we create a footer menu and add it to our website.